Hey there, Python enthusiasts. Did you know that when you use the sort method in Python, it actually returns none? Let's break it down. Imagine you've got a list of numbers, just like this one. Now, the sort method works like a magician, sorting those numbers right in place, like shuffling a deck of cards. But here's the twist. It doesn't hand you a shiny new sorted list. Nope, it modifies the original list directly. So you might be wondering, what does it return then? Well, my friends, when a method doesn't have anything specific to give back, it defaults to none. It's like the Python way of saying, hey, mission accomplished, but I've got no souvenir for you. So, if you're not careful and you try to catch that none, you might end up scratching your head. Just remember, the magic happens within the list itself. So, while numbers list transforms into a beautifully sorted sequence, the result you're looking for, well, that's just a friendly neighborhood none. And there you have it.